going into the Christmas season, FedEx got hit. All right, let's go take a look at what's going on. FedEx got hit. FedEx stock was down, and this was yesterday. Yeah, that was yesterday. What's today's date? Today's the 19th. This is yesterday. Stock was down 7% after publishing a 40% drop in profit. All right, Amazon pivoting customers to rival delivery space. Revenue fell 3%, also short of consensus. FedEx also cut its full-year earnings per share forecast. So not only did they miss earnings, actually they missed. They missed the forward forecast. The forward forecast was not nearly as good, and boy, did they feel it. All right, so FedEx is my next story, especially coming into the Christmas season. They're doing a lot of deliveries for Christmas. And you said it was earnings, so not only was it earnings, Trade Shark, it was actually forward forecasting as well. They got the double whammy, right? They got the double whammy jammy, right, Joe? Can you say that?
Double whammy.
Jammy.
Double whammy jammy.
They got the double whammy jammy. They missed earnings and forecasted was low. So let's take a look at that. I'm going to go back into the software, but we're going to do something a little different. I keep doing this. We're going to do something a little different today. I'm going to go to FedEx, and down below, where did Joey put it? Something that we don't look at much is the stock analysis report. We've been analyzing stocks in the watch list, but let's go use the stock analysis report. Let's go add in the symbol of FedEx, which is FDX. This gives you a full story on the stock. One, it's going to give you a 3-month view of the stock. Look at that. Over the last 3 months, it was trudging up higher. Look at after it missed earnings. Wham! It fall down, go boom! What did it do, Joey?
Fall down, go boom.
Not just boom, it fall down, go boom. Big drop yesterday. All right, that's in a 3-month graph. The industry got hurt by the move on the stock as well. All right, we'll go down and look at some of our indicators. The stock is recommended as a hold. All right, the value is at 133.42. The stock is currently trading over its value. That doesn't make it a bad thing. It just means that people are willing to pay a premium to own the stock. The upside potential, RV, is an indicator of long-term price appreciation potential. Upside potential right now is at 0.84, which is poor on a scale between 0 and 2. What I'm looking for is a stock that's got a relative value above 1, tells me that it's going to outperform a AAA corporate bond about 3 years out, okay? How safe is the stock? Pretty fair. It's above 1, but not blowing above 1. Relative safety looks at the consistency and predictability of a company's financial performance. Does this company meet or exceed earnings quarter over quarter, year over year? At 1, it's okay. All right, next indicator, is the stock in an uptrend or not? FDX has a relative timing of 0.93, which is fair on a scale between 0 and 2. In order for a stock to be in an uptrend, it needs to be above the value of 1, saying the stock is currently trending higher. Right now, below 1, it's okay, but unfavorable overall. All right, the master indicator, value, safety, and timing, it's got a value of 0.95, which on a scale is fair. I would rather have a stock when I'm looking at the full complement of the overall ranking. I want it to be above the value of 1. Comfort index, the stock's ability to resist long or lengthy price declines. Below the value of 1, it's not good, it's poor. This stock is susceptible to having long or lengthy price declines. All right, and all of the other indicators, we don't use this stock analysis report nearly as much as we should. This is only available to people who are VectorVest subscribers. Joey said, hey, we should use that today, and we are. Let's go look at a graph of it. Let's go back to the watch list. Let's go look at a graph of it. View the stock graph. We already saw it on the 3-month graph. We saw that big drop. Look at that. Look at the fall in earnings over the last year. The falling earnings a little bit over the last 3 months. Not the right time to be in FedEx. Not the right time. But I want to show you something. FedEx does have a level of support. It just broke through at 151.42. It's got another downside to this level of the low, which is currently at 137.78. Be careful with this if you're going to take to buy it. If you're going to think about trying to get in early, Let it find a bottom first. Right now, I don't know if that's the case. Let it find a bottom. And Rich says it's going down to 137. That is my level of, you know something? I'm going to say if nothing, that's the low point. I don't know if it's going to get down that low. I think too many people know that FedEx overall is a good company. Relative safety above 1. Where's my RV? Let's go look at the fundamentals. I'm going to add another parameter, capital appreciation. Let's go add RV. Put that up next to RT. Fundamentally, you're right. Fundamentally, the stock is not sound. Relative safety above 1, relative value. The upside potential is not there. The stock may have more downside, at least to that level of the low. All right, so as much as I don't like to prognosticate, Rich could be right on target. TradeShark could be right on target. It's got some downside to that level of the low. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Now, if you're new to the software or would like refresher information about the software, click on this Getting Started video right here. Thanks to all of your input, here's a YouTube video that we think would be perfect for you. Click right here. If nothing else, folks, just hit the subscribe button right here.